What's good, guys? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah AG baby. Yeah, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to style your edges on braids, and I don't think there's anybody that has done some braids. I don't really know. Drop a comment if you have different styles, because I don't know. I think these are the basic styles to style anything: braids, gels, all back, whatever style you have on. You can try out all those styles that I gave you. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Yeah, I would really love a lovely comment. It's always good to see a good comment. Drop a thumbs up and let's get into it. What's good, YouTube? What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so what you're going to be needing, you're gonna need a good brush. A toothbrush is preferable, a comb, a hairbrush, some elastic bands, any gel. You could use Eco Styler gel or whatever gel you have, a silk scarf or any scarf you have. So you're going to just take your hair back, and you're going to brush out your edges. Yeah, just brush them out. So now you're going to add your gel on your edges. Apply your gel on the edges, on places you want to, style. Then you're just going to brush it out, brush your hair out. Yeah, and what I like to do is, you can see I'm trying to use my hands to support. That way it helps keep the hair in place when you're done. So just try to use your hands and just comb it and swoop. I call this a swoop, I don't know, or a swoosh, I don't know. I call it a swoosh. So just swoosh it back. Yeah, just like that. So let me show you how I did this on the other side. And I tried to make mine as identical as they can be on both sides. So I'll go back and look at what I did on one side and turn to the other side to do the same thing. You can see me going back and forth. Yeah, it's just to get, just to make it almost the same. Yeah, so you're just going to comb it down and use your hands to support. Yeah, just comb it down and swoop it. Like I would say, you swoop your edges back. Yeah, and that is it. This is the first style I'm showing you. So you use your scarf to tie your hair back, so it will look laid and it will stay until for a long time. So after a while you can take it off, leave it on for a while and take it off. Yeah, so this is me showing you how to style it with your braids, a bonus. Just take 2 hairs back, take some hair and just use your rubber band to band it, yeah, backwards. So it gives you this lovely style. It's very cute. It's a simple style. So yeah. So for the next style, you're going to do the same thing, you know, apply your gel to your edges and just blend it out. Use your brush to comb your edges out, just like that. Yeah. And now you're just gonna coil and use your hands to just direct it in where you want it to go until you've gotten that desirable, you know, shape. Yeah, use your hands. Don't forget, your hands are practically your best friends when it comes to edges, so use your hands to just support the hair in where you want it to go. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much, so let me just let you guys watch. Yeah, do the same thing to the other side and boom, very cute, very beautiful. So this is me showing you how you can style your hair with these edges on. You can do whatever you want, you know, go crazy. It's your hair, your rules. Yeah, my hair, my rules. So what you're going to do is just patch your hair into, then pack it like, you know, the high school girly pack, and do the same thing to the other side. Yeah, just let it flow. And I think I like the way the beads are when it was down though, but I don't know. And this is just a simple style. Take your hair up, drop 2 braids forward, and boom. Yeah, cute and nice. Yeah, very nice. So this is the third style. You're just going to swoop the hair back. Yeah, just a big swoop. It's a very nice that you just swoop your hair back and boom, simple everyday edges. Yeah, that's it. Very cute and very simple, nothing really special. Looks nice. So this is me showing you how you can style these edges. You just want to take a piece of hair forward and braid the rest of your hair back. Don't make the braids too stiff here, so you still have edges, so it doesn't, you know, it's not too tight, and pull out all your edges. So just pull some few strands of hair forward so that it won't be too tight. Yeah, and there you have it. After you braid it, just don't worry about the beads or whatever you have on. Just pack it on with elastic bands or whatever you want to use. You can use scrunchies too. Scrunchies would have been nice. And boom, yeah, very lovely style. I could rock this to work, to school, to anywhere. And yeah, you're just going to take your hair up for this style. Use elastic bands to hold the hair. Do the same thing to the other side. Just going to wrap it round the hair. I couldn't find elastic bands to hold this in place, so I used a piece of the hair to just hold it in place, and boom. Yeah, so freaky. You can use that for parties and whatever. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.